Introducing our premium pediatric electric hospital bed, specifically designed for children's healthcare facilities. This advanced 5-function electric bed offers complete adjustability, backrest elevation, leg elevation, height adjustment, and trundle positioning, all controlled with precision for optimal patient comfort and care. Currently our best-selling model, this bed features industry-leading safety rails with custom-molded construction. The decorative panels with friendly cartoon designs create a warm, welcoming environment that reduces anxiety in young patients. The integrated dust cover beneath the bed ensures hygiene and easy maintenance, while our specially selected Soylent caster wheels provide smooth, quiet mobility. The innovative quick-release wheel locks offer superior safety and convenience. Our 4-position adjustable safety rails are the result of extensive design research and hold a patent for their innovative construction. The carefully chosen color palette is specifically calibrated for pediatric environments, softer and more welcoming than standard hospital equipment, helping children feel safe and comfortable during their stay. Of 1.10 meters in length, these rails effectively prevent falls while allowing easy caregiver access. Contact us today to learn how this exceptional pediatric bed